Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein shake oats. This simple guide will help you create a delicious and nutritious meal that's perfect for any time of day. We'll cover everything from basic ingredients to customization, ensuring you can whip up a satisfying and protein-packed breakfast or snack. It's a fantastic way to fuel your body with essential nutrients, keeping you full and energized for hours. Let's get started on this easy and versatile recipe. Now, let's dive into the simple preparation. First, grab a jar or container and add about 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Next, incorporate 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder. Then, pour in approximately 1 cup of liquid, like almond milk or water, and stir everything together until well combined. Pop it into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, let it chill overnight. This allows the oats to soften and absorb the liquid, creating a creamy texture. Customizing your protein oats is where the fun begins. You can easily boost the flavor by adding ingredients like 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, or a dash of vanilla extract before chilling. For toppings, consider fresh berries, sliced banana, a spoonful of your favorite nut butter, or some crunchy chopped nuts. Don't forget you can adjust the liquid amount to get your perfect consistency. More liquid for a thinner shake, less for a thicker, spoonable treat. Experiment and find your ideal combination. Here are a few final tips to ensure your protein oats are always perfect. Store your prepared oats in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days. When selecting your protein powder, think about how its flavor will blend with any additional ingredients you plan to use, like vanilla with fruit or chocolate with peanut butter. Finally, enjoy your protein shake oats cold, straight from the fridge, for a super convenient and incredibly healthy meal anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.